Hi, I'm Malcolm, the creator of getSoapy.co.uk. Today I'm going to tell you about our lead marketplace and how it can help grow your window cleaning business. Let's get started. The first thing you'll see in the marketplace is a list of leads available to purchase. The thing to remember with getSoapy, unlike other platforms, we never sell the same lead to multiple people. So when you purchase a lead from the marketplace and contact them, you know you're not competing with 10 other window cleaners. Now, you'll notice a lot of these leads say my patch on them. That means they're not just nearby, they're in the area I've said I work. And I can edit my patch by really easily just tapping a new area out on the map. And I hit save, that's now my patch. Now, let's jump into a lead. I'm going to open this one here, which I can see is a 3-bedroom detached property. It's just a mile away. Their phone number and email address are available to me as soon as I purchase the lead. So let's hit purchase, and now it's become a quote, which means I've got all the normal tools I'd expect with getSoapy when dealing with a quote. I can see where they are on a map, I can send them a message, and we've got a lot of other exciting things coming soon in this area, so watch out for a video on that. What if you want a lot of leads to really grow your round? Well, lead generation and auto purchase have you covered. You'll see in this menu here that's available. I just need to turn it on, and then any leads in my area where people are looking for the services I offer will automatically be purchased by my account, and I'll just get a message that a lead's been delivered. We'll also start focusing advertising in your area to make sure a lot of leads come in, but you don't need to worry about that, just turn it on and receive the leads. Last but not least is the option to sell leads into the marketplace. Let's say I've received a quote from well outside my area. I don't want to do this work. I could ignore it, I could reply to the customer and say sorry, or because it was submitted through the getSoapy quote widget on my website, what I can do is offer it into the marketplace. With a single tap, this is now available for another window cleaner who does cover that area to buy it from me. I'll get the credits, and then I can use those credits to buy a lead that's in my area. Everyone wins. I hope you found this useful. As I mentioned, we've got a lot of exciting features coming soon, so keep an eye out for the next video. Follow us on all social media to keep up to date. We'd love to hear your feedback, and we'll see you in the marketplace soon. Thanks. I think that went okay.